In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now it's time to tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and entering your current login method. Lastly, hit delete next to edit and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!